Welcome to Noosa Beach, Australia. And boy, if you had asked me where Noosa Beach was a week ago, I wouldn't have been able to tell you. But here I am, about to take you on a walk and talk through Noosa Beach. And it is absolutely a beautiful day. And I'm just going to turn the camera around like this and introduce you to beautiful Noosa Beach. And I thought it would be just a wonderful opportunity to do a walk and talk here on this beach. As my lovely friend Michelle, she's out there somewhere doing a paddle board, and I'm going to just do a walk and talk and bring you for a tour. I don't imagine that it's a very big. I don't think it's a really big beach, but it is a beautiful one for sure. And maybe I will find my way out to do a paddleboard here before too long. I actually tried paddleboarding for the first time the other day, and I was able to stand up. But look at this beach, just fantastic. And the water, I bet the water is just like a bath, I would imagine. And somewhere out there is Michelle on her paddleboard. But we're just gonna walk and talk. And I was on the other side of this ocean about a week ago, or 2 weeks ago now maybe, at the Waikiki Beach. And here I am in beautiful Australia. This is the Sunshine Coast right here. This would be the Sunshine Coast of I keep wanting to say Florida because that's where I'm from. But boy, this is nice. Really, really nice. Actually, I'm going to take off my sandals. And wade through the water. Noosa Beach, or Noosa Heads, I think it's called, is it's a quaint little town. It's a beautiful little town. We drove through Hastings Street to get here. That'll be the main street. Will be Hastings Street, and we're going to go out for a bite to eat a little bit later. This is actually my first. We've only been here a little bit over an hour, and this is my first venture out onto the beach. We'll be here the remainder of today. And tomorrow they actually have the largest surfing competition with dogs. So tomorrow is the largest dog surfing competition in the world, and that's going to be a lot of fun. I'll probably get my drone out here, I would imagine. Boy, this is nice. What a nice way to spend a Saturday afternoon, right here at the beach. Actually, the hotel that I'm staying at is just right over there, the Netanya Beachfront Resort. Just wonderful. Australia really is a great place. So there's the Noosa National Park, which is very, very close. And then just up here, looks like there is a boardwalk with some shops that'll actually walk for quite a ways. I'm going to find my way back up to the to the hotel area. It's 35 degrees Celsius as I'm filming this. Looks like there's a restaurant just up there. Look at that. Hastings Street is just on the other side. Boy, what a wonderful spot in the world. I wouldn't have known about this place if it weren't for Michelle.
I know it's not all to say it's just the greatest time in the world right now. 'Cause I got it, got you in my sight.
All right, now I'm coming back up to my hotel, and that is your Noosa Beach walk and talk. Just wonderful. Have a great day.